There she is. Good old Viva Las Vegas.
4 nights at Caesar's Palace. We're gonna make a quick stop at the Magic Mountain Color Rock things. Took a couple pictures. I guess it's gonna be gone this year, so go check it out. Let's get to slots.
All right, Caesar's Palace. First bonus of the day, baby. Let's go. Big numbers. Do it. 10 grand, baby. Hit that major. Hit that major. It's capped out. Hit that. Hit it. Hit it. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Bam. Hit it. Hit it. Woo. Got it. I'll take it. High limit room, baby. Let's go. I'm going for this, baby. We're gonna hit that. We're gonna hit that. So next bonus. Let's go. All right. Move machines. We got the cap down here. Hit another bonus. Let's go. Drop that major, baby. One time. Do it. Come on. Both machine sounds don't work, but
You got a
Corona.
Corona?
Yes.
There you go. And you got a Bloody Mary? Yes.
thank you, man. Over there. I'm over here. Only $5 bits, but it's okay. Cause that major, they're gonna fall. Hit it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. Just pull it. Pull it. Pull it. Alright. Pull it back next bonus. Here we go. Alright. Got a bonus. Couple spins later. Drop it. Wow, wow. Come on, hurl me. Come on. Tens, come on, tens. Oh yeah. Last spin. Oh. All right. Get back. 25 cents now. We're looking for that man, boy. Let's go. Damn, come on, do it. Yeah, there we go. Come on, right here. It's coming. Okay, nothing. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. Out of the front line. Something. There we go. A little something. Turn. Uh-oh. Come on, another one. Boom. Okay. I'll take it. Bullets again. See you next. Okay. More some glitter. Got a little bonus. $5, $10.79. I'll just take bullets. You know what I'm saying? Major. Boing. Major. Uh-oh. Briefcase. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Yeah. Fine. Till next time, boys. Alright, we switch sides. $5 bet. Got 4 briefcases. I'm going for that. That's it. Do it to me. Do it to me. Don't do it to me. Come on. That's nothing. Briefcase. Car. Okay, I'll take it. But I want major chip. Boing. I feel it, man. This is my time to shine. Uh-oh. I want the big one. Come on. Ew. God damn. Alright. Again, till next time, boys. Oh, I bet.
Alright. Good start to the session. Check out these 2 videos. You haven't seen it? Thank you for watching. Subscribe, leave a comment. See you next time. Shiny Poo Slap.